We are looking at LSAT Prep Test 85, Analytical Reasoning Section 4, questions 19 through 23. Game 4 is an ordering and grouping game. The facts are as follows. There are 5 artists, J, K, L, N, and O. Each artist must appear exactly one time. Each artist must be matched with exactly one musician. They are placed in an order. There are 5 musicians, T, V, W, Y, and Z. Each musician must appear exactly one time. The rules are as follows. Rule 1. J must be placed before K, which must be placed before L. Rule 2. T must be placed before V, which must be placed before W. Rule 3. W cannot be fourth. Rule 4. N and Y cannot be grouped together. Rule 5. O and Z must be grouped together. Now let's draw a diagram and make deductions. Given the fact that there are 5 artists and 5 musicians, there must be at least 2 artists out of J, K, and L that overlap with at least 2 musicians out of T, V, and W. We can see this from rules 1, 2, and 5. If we were to try to have only one overlap, it would violate Rule 5. For example, J, K, and L can be placed first, second, and third respectively, and T, V, and W can be placed third, fourth, and fifth respectively. In another example, J, K, and L can be third, fourth, and fifth, and T, V, and W can be first, second, and third. In both of these instances, there is no place for the O and Z block. Because of this, we can deduce that L and T cannot be grouped together, and J and W cannot be grouped together. Next, we can draw a table. We know that J cannot be fourth and fifth from Rule 1. K cannot be neither fifth nor first. L cannot be first nor second. T cannot be fourth and fifth from Rule 2. V cannot be neither fifth nor first. W cannot be first, second, nor fourth. We can see that the only possible spots for W is third or fifth. We can split the game board using these 2 possibilities. If W were to be placed with third, O and Z must occupy one spot in either fourth or fifth. T and V must come before W, which means they have to be first and second. Then Y must occupy the last spot for musicians. Because Rule 4 states that N cannot be grouped with Y, N must appear in the first 3 spots. This would leave L as the only possible artist who can be grouped with Y. In the second scenario, where W is fifth, we can see that there are many different possibilities. Thus, if the questions tell us that we are looking the scenario where W is fifth, we will need additional restrictions or rules to make further deductions.